This is the Dermatology Quiz from KFP Online. The itchy rash. Doctor, identify this rash. This itchy rash is eczema. Doctor, how do you treat this rash? List 4 steps for immediate management. These are 6 steps you could have used to immediately manage this rash. If you listed down any 4 of these, you are correct. 1. Advantan fatty ointment, topically once daily. 2. Sorbolene cream, topically TDS. 3. Avoid soaps. 4. Avoid overheating. 5. Avoid wool. 6. Loratadine oral, 10 mg daily. The itchy rash. Doctor, identify this rash. This rash is tinea corporis. Doctor, how would you treat this rash? List 3 steps to manage it. These are the 3 steps you would use to treat this rash. 1. 1% terbinafine gel, topically twice daily for about 1 to 2 weeks. 2. Skin scraping MCS. 3. Terbinafine 250 mg oral twice daily for about 2 weeks. The itchy rash. Doctor, identify this rash. This rash is scabies. Doctor, how would you treat this rash? List 4 steps you would use to manage it. These are the 4 steps you'd use to manage this rash. 1. Permethrin 5% cream from the neck down. Leave on overnight and then wash off in the morning. 2. Repeat the permethrin 5% cream treatment in 1 week's time. 3. Wash all clothes and bedding in hot water. 4. Elicon cream topically daily / when it's required. The itchy rash. Doctor, identify this rash. This rash is chickenpox. The itchy rash. Doctor, identify this rash. This rash is herpes simplex. Doctor, what step would you take to manage this rash? This is how you'd manage this rash. Acyclovir 5% cream topically 4 hourly for 5 days. The itchy rash. Doctor, identify this rash. This rash is pityriasis rosea. The itchy rash. Doctor, identify this rash. This rash is lichen simplex chronicus. The itchy rash. Doctor, identify this rash. This rash is erythema multiforme. The itchy rash. Doctor, identify this rash. This rash is venous eczema. The itchy rash. Doctor, identify this rash. This rash is dermatographia. Next week we'll cover more dermatology, but hopefully a lot less itchy.